the last video for our nature journals for the summer, and I don't have anything new to show you or teach you. I hope you've enjoyed making your nature journals and trying different things and experimenting and getting really creative. Instead, this video is a flip through of what I put into my journal this summer. Now, I didn't get the whole thing filled up, and of course, sometimes when you're on an adventure, you just, enjoy the adventure. You don't slow down enough to work on a journal, but it was definitely a fun experience, and so I'm gonna go ahead and film a flip through, a page through of my journal for you to see. And then it'd be wonderful if you guys could take photos or make a little video of your own flip through and send it to us here at the library. Or if you even want to come in and show us your journals, that would be really fun too. Totally up to you, but again, I hope you enjoyed doing this activity with us this summer and that you continue to do so. We'd love to see what you've created. So let's page through mine. So that was a little flip through of my nature journal here. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this activity, and if you want to show us what you got, we'd love to see it. Have a great day, everyone.